The plenary session this morning was all about achieving faster close of local authority accounts, but also linking that to improving the quality and also radical financial transformation. So it's not just the accounts, it's the whole financial approach. The one key message I would put to delegates is to set yourself an aspirational target. Do not go for incremental, slow improvements. Set yourself an aspirational target, get people behind you and adopt a can-do attitude, and we can all do this and do this quite easily.
Torvine Workshop is about how we've brought closing forward, working in partnership with our auditors and regulators and within a culture of good leadership within the council. The one key message I would say, it's possible to do it. It's about having the get up and go, clear leadership and working in partnership with your regulators.
Our contribution to the workshop as the auditors was to demonstrate how we've worked with Torvine to deliver the objective of closing the accounts earlier and signing them off. The one key message that I think people should take away is working closely with the auditors, raising issues nice and early so that we can resolve them well in advance of the audit actually starting.
Kent's approach was to gradually shave time off of the timetable, so moving from completing the accounts in September to trying to have them done by the end of June, and we did that in stages over a period of maybe 2 to 3 years. The one key message is that it's crucial to work together and have good relationships with either third parties or external auditors.
Grant Thornton's role in supporting Kent to do the incremental changes over the months and years of actually bringing forward their early close down type was just really about being really supportive of working with them to actually help the change and to adopt our approach to their needs as we went along. The one key message is really working with the council. It's not about being against them or us being the auditors. It's about doing the journey together of reaching the audit opinion and closing those accounts and actually really doing it as a critical friend.
Oldham's workshop was about Oldham's experience of a faster close down and identifying some of the quick wins that we've put in place to achieve that. I'd like delegates to take away from the session some of the things that Oldham have done, some of the best practice that Oldham has put into place, and probably the key message is challenge your timelines, challenge your processes.
Well, the main contribution was working with Oldham to identify the issues the areas where we could improve, the working papers, where we could take tasks out that they were doing that from an auditor we didn't need to review. So really it was helping them streamline the process. It was their project, but we were there to help them and streamline things. From Grant Thornton's perspective, I think the one key message to give is involve your auditors from the beginning. They've got a lot to offer, they can help you. They don't like surprises, but if you've got them on side from the beginning, you're far more likely to succeed.
Westminster's workshop is about how we did the fast year-end close and really how we employed project management techniques in order to deliver that. So how do we do that through those techniques? Well, it's about having detailed timetables, action plans, trackers and tools in which to monitor everything to make sure that everything stays on track. It's about engaging with your staff and your third-party partners to make sure that everybody's absolutely clear about what is their expectations and when they're going to deliver, who's going to deliver what, so that you've got that absolutely down to a T. I think the most important thing to gain from this is the fact that the people aspect is absolutely critical in this. It's not just about the numbers. So whether you're engaging with the wider finance community or people in the wider organisation that you need to engage with or people from outside the business, you absolutely have to be clear about what the expectations are, what their requirements are and when you're expecting that to happen.
From my perspective, the key issues were there was a clear timetable for everything set out, allocated staff to individual tasks, and there was comprehensive QA which built in internal check throughout the preparation of the accounts, and that from an external audit perspective is absolutely vital, is a key source of assurance. One key message I would say from the preparer's side is making sure that staff fully understand what it is they are supposed to be doing and how it fits in with everything else within the accounts.